What's going on, guys? Will's Bonsai back again, and today I'm going to be giving you guys an update on how I built that nursery, that mini DIY nursery. I'm excited to show you guys me putting all my plants back on. I'm going to give y'all a quick update rundown, and if you missed the video, head over to the description. It's one of my best projects I've ever done, and so yeah, today I'm going to be moving all my trees down there. I'm going to show you guys the update, getting all my trees settled in. Let's go. So the reason I kind of did that too is we're about to get our deck redone. So yeah, I have some tables up here with some my favorite bonsai on it. I have a lot of plants to move down there, so we got to get to work. I'm gonna set up a time lapse, set up a video of me moving it all down there. Look at the method I am doing this. Got a whole swimming pool coming down with a bunch of different bonsai. It makes it super easy, literally just sliding it down the hill like a sled. Let's move this. You know, I've got it in an arrangement where I'm probably gonna have to move every one of these like every other day just to figure out where it looks best, where the lighting is best. But yeah, I'm gonna put a bunch of my bigger nursery pots like around that little corner. We have a lot of space too, which is what blew me away. Like I got a whole table for my succulents when they come out. I can move this stuff down, so this is spacious. And if you guys want to just use this as a review / test to follow up, this is incredible. Look at this one. I did this the other day for a video. You guys go check this video out. Look at that. So just nestling everything in, getting it stored properly, and it looks beautiful. I have a lot of extra slots, so I'm excited to move stuff around. Wow. Look at this one right here. It's pretty nice. Wow, so just stepping stones, everything, super complete. We have a lot of space left too. So if you guys saw, I did this last week actually for a video, so make sure to go check that out. Look how I styled that. Got a branch going upwards, outwards, down, styled in like a S shape. Waiting for all the leaves to come back on this guy, and I just love how much space is here. You put all the little plants on the bottom shelf. This is probably the sunniest section of my yard, but I just wanted to give you guys an update. Look at that. Wow, it's my girlfriend's bonsai, so shout out to her. Beautiful drawing on there. Look at that. A branch actually got cut off, so that's why there's kind of just a hole sitting in there. Look at that. We've populated my nursery now. Stay tuned, I got a ton of repots coming. I thank y'all for checking out the video. Thank Jesus for every day. I hope y'all have a good one. I'll catch y'all in the next one.